6 dances.
At first we wanted to do it in March, but then you know what happened. Y'all know what it is.
To the Wi-Fi, yet no bars on the real life. I swear this the top.
So yeah, but now 6 months later.
OG survived.
Is it 6 months later?
So it's a video of the black line and the white line on the forehead.
Okay, let's go.
Gap locks on hashtag to make a shout out. Dreamed of the flying cars here. Guess it's time to adjust my mascara.
So much to be shy, that's for you as my recognition.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for being here. I love you all.
I'm the strongest, don't get no rest. Living the life, I am the style. Jealous my swag, man, hear me.
Do you see my eye smile?
The rage, I'm the strongest, don't get no rest. Living the life, I am the style. Jealous of my
That's another one that I'm looking into, just because of the global shutter there.
So basically, all this stuff was there just last night. Me, Chad, and V. We just moved it all overnight here, cleaned the whole place up, cleaned all the garbage over there. 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours?
Yeah, we were working like fast.
That's
Like
how.
6:30 to like 9 or so.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have. It has like this raunchy warehouse look to it. So I was gonna. Do, he's the cameraman. Yeah, he's a DP. He's the owner of the place.
Excited. Yes.
Sign here.
Good signal. Good vibes. Good vibes.
Shared signals.
always connected to the Wi-Fi. Yet no bars on the real life. I swear this the top five.
Le moment où vous parlez.
OG survived of the wildlife with none but a Swiss Army knife.
Genre le flow qu'on avait, le beat qu'on avait.
So just kind of
Ouais.
Gap locks on hashtag to make a shout out. Dreamed of the flying cars here. Guess it's time to adjust my mascara.
I don't have more energy for this kind of stuff.
My courage and feel the rage. I'm the strongest, don't get no rest. Living the life, I am the style. Jealous my swag, man, hear me brag. My courage and feel the rage. I'm the strongest, don't get no rest. Living the life, I am the style. Jealous of my swag, man, hear me brag. Miss me so much, they might just to record a funny voice. Trust, text a bunch of emojis, the best describe how you feel. Swear this you.
Let's do it again. Man. Yank.
Swear there's a type of sci-fi. Mother sees grandfather's squad. OG survived of the wildlife with none but a Swiss Army knife. Wouldn't be proud, we way too loud. Cap locks on hashtag.
Doris et Kenny ont tourné en même temps. Yes. Thank you so much for doing
Thank you so much for doing this.
Like your potential is incredible. I hope like is a good kickstart for all of our careers. Thank you very much for like putting the effort and the time and showing up like all maquillé and all. It's really beautiful to see.
Yes.
Thank you so
Relevant
much.
Records loves you.
Yes, very appreciated.
Yeah, let's take a picture.
Oh, yes.
Rồi thì thôi quá. Nó thì bên
Yeah, you need to
Kenny, shoe Kenny, guys go in a bit more.
Wait, Allysia go We're doing it and now we're done.
3, 2, 1. Last one, go, ready?
Yo, you.
I don't know which way you're punching.
Okay, let me stop you. Oh. Ow. Ow.